Hello friends, I am Surbhi and once again welcome to my channel Key Differences. Today in this video, we will be discussing the difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So friends, let's get started. Now first of all, we will discuss the term Parliament. Indian Parliament is the apex legislative body which aims at formulating laws for the country. As India follows a bicameral structure of government, the parliamentary system comprises of the President and the two houses, that is Lok Sabha, also known as lower house, and Rajya Sabha, also known as upper house. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, as its name suggests, is the house of people and the lower chamber of the bicameral government. Lok Sabha is the people's representative body wherein the members are elected directly by the people according to universal adult suffrage and first past the post system wherein the people cast their votes to the candidate of their choice and the one getting highest number of votes win. The total collective strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members, out of which 530 members represent states, 20 members represent union territories, and 2 members are nominated by the President to represent Anglo-Indian community. On the basis of population, the entire country is divided into various constituencies and one candidate is elected from each constituency. Basically, the term of Lok Sabha is 5 years, but it can be dissolved earlier by the President. Moreover, its term can be extended for 1 year in case of emergency. Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. It is also known as Council of States, which is a permanent body. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250 members, out of which 238 members represent state and union territory and 12 members are nominated by the President from the field of literature, science, commerce, arts, social service, etc. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a period of 6 years. However, one-third of its members retire in every 2 years. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of State Legislative Assembly as per proportional representation system by single transferable vote. Difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Meaning, Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament which comprises of members representing people of the country. On the other hand, Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament whose member represents states and union territories. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people according to universal adult suffrage and first past the post system. On the other hand, the members of Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected by the members of a state legislative assembly as per proportional representation system. Next. While Lok Sabha is a temporary body because it is elected for 5 years only and Rajya Sabha is a permanent one. Next. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members, wherein 530 members represent states, 20 represent union territories, and 2 represent Anglo-Indian community. On the other hand, the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250 members, out of which 238 members represent states and union territory, while the rest of them are nominated by the President from different fields. The presiding officer in case of Lok Sabha is the Speaker, who is elected amongst the members of the Lok Sabha, as against the presiding officer in case of Rajya Sabha is known as Chairman, who is the Vice President of the country. The minimum age for becoming a member of Lok Sabha is 25 years, whereas to become a member of Rajya Sabha, one has to attain the age of 30 years. When it comes to power, Lok Sabha has the power to pass no confidence motion, which when done, the Council of Ministers has to resign. On the other hand, Rajya Sabha has no such power. Next, when it comes to money bill, the money bill cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. It can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. Moreover, all the power with respect to money bill lies in the hands of Lok Sabha only. Next, in case of deadlock situation, The joint sitting is announced by the President, in which the Speaker of the Lok Sabha presides over the joint sitting, whereas the Chairman does not preside over the joint session. Next, when it comes to retirement, the Lok Sabha members are appointed for a period of 5 years, but one-third members of the Rajya Sabha retire in every second year. Well guys, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you find the lesson very useful. I'm sure that all your doubts regarding the difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are cleared now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, you can visit our official website, that is keyreferences.com. Here you can find a detailed comparison of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha along with their introduction. So guys, please like this video, share it with your friends and put in your comments below. And do subscribe our channel for more updates. I'll be back soon with the new lesson. Till then, take care and bye-bye.